Humboldt ISD covers more than 90 square miles in the Lake Houston area, with more than 42,000 students attending 43 campuses. Based on trends and consultations with an independent demographer, Humboldt ISD is growing at a rate of about 1,000 students per year. With Humboldt ISD celebrating its 100-year anniversary in 2019, there are also aging facilities that need attention. So in the fall of 2017, Humboldt ISD invited the entire Humboldt ISD community to be part of the Citizens Bond Advisory Committee. This committee came together over the course of 6 meetings and discussed how to address the continued growth and ensure students learn in comparable facilities throughout Humboldt ISD. The committee recommended 2 bond proposals to the Board of Trustees to address those issues. The board considered and incorporated elements of both proposals and voted to call for a $575 million bond election, which will take place on May 5th. There will be no tax rate increase as a result of the May 5th, 2018 bond election. To address issues of growth, the committee proposed some new construction projects, building 1 new elementary and 1 new middle school south of FM 1960, and adding classrooms to Atascocita High School. To address aging facilities, the committee recommended rebuilding Kingwood Middle and Lakeland Elementary Schools. Projects that address aging facilities and accommodate growth include renovating the Humboldt High School library to current standards and expanding the cafeteria, and also adding multipurpose rooms to the 22 schools that don't have indoor space for PE and assemblies. Safety enhancements are also part of the bond proposal. Proposed projects include expanding the district police station and emergency operations center, remodeling schools to include secured visitors entry at campuses that don't already have a secure vestibule in place, and increasing the quality and quantity of security cameras at schools. Additional proposed projects include building a second transportation center near Kingwood. Humboldt ISD transports approximately 14,000 students each day. A Northern Transportation Center would provide savings of an estimated $2 million in annual operations costs. Rebuilding the Northern Agricultural Barn on a new site. The current ag facility serves the students of Kingwood and Kingwood Park High Schools and is located on a site that has flooded. Additionally, the Southern ag facility would be updated to include restrooms and an office. Renovating and equipping career and technical education classrooms. Adding a 3rd gym at every high school to accommodate more student groups. Renovating Charles Street Stadium. Built in 1941, the stadium is used by middle school football teams, Humboldt High School freshman and junior varsity teams, and boys and girls soccer teams. Install field turf at 4 schools that do not have turf. Turf increases the number of groups that can use the field each week, such as middle school teams, bands, and community teams. Turf maintains its usability even after a heavy rain. Install wood gym floors at the 7 schools that currently have sport court. Install turf at the Turner Baseball Softball Complex. Updating technology infrastructure and conducting building repairs and renovations. Bond 2018 represents a 5 to 6 year construction plan to address current and anticipated district needs. For more information about Bond 2018 and details and videos about specific projects, please visit humboldtisd.net/bondelection2018. Early voting begins April 23rd, and voters can vote early at any of 3 voting locations. Election Day is Saturday, May 5th, and polls will be open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.